I want to tell you exactly what this is. This is not a polished corporate mass-produced AI course. This is the build phase, the architecture phase, the ground floor. The AI Clone Builder course is 90% complete, and instead of waiting until it is fully packaged, fully edited, fully positioned, and selling for what it will actually be worth, I'm opening it right now. When this course is finished, it will not be a $7 course. It will not be a $27 course. It will likely sit somewhere between $97 and $197 because what it teaches is leverage. It teaches you how to install your own AI operating system, not prompts, not hacks, architecture. But right now, during this final stage of development, you can get in for $7. Not because it is worth 7, because you are coming in at the foundation stage. If you've ever bought a course where content is dripped out over 4 weeks, 8 weeks, 12 weeks, you know what this feels like. You're watching it come together. You're seeing lessons finalize. You're seeing frameworks sharpen. You're inside the room while the final polish happens. And here's the advantage. You get lifetime access at the ground floor price. When the price increases, it increases for everyone else, not for you. Let me be blunt. $7 is irrational. If you install even one system correctly, if you build even one reusable template, if you eliminate even 10% of wasted time, you make that back in an hour. This is not content consumption. This is systems installation. The course walks you through instruction layering, success criteria, structured output templates, testing and refinement protocols, prompt libraries, strategic context. This is how professionals use AI, not casually, strategically. If you wait until it's done, you will pay more. That's not pressure, that's math. If you want to get in at the foundation stage, watch the final lessons drop and lock in lifetime access for $7. Join now. Install the system and build your clone before everyone else figures out what you're doing.